In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic bid on eBay. This quick guide is perfect for anyone who wants to master auction-style bidding effortlessly. Let's dive into this straightforward process and learn how to make the most of eBay's bidding system. First, log into your eBay account. This step is essential because eBay needs to identify who is placing a bid. Enter your username and password carefully to avoid any login issues. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before you can start bidding. Once you're logged in, navigate to the auction listing of the item you're interested in. Make sure the listing is an auction and not a buy it now listing, as automatic bidding only works with auction-style items. Take a moment to review the item description, images, and details to ensure it meets your expectations. When you're ready, click the Place Bid button. This will take you to the bidding interface. Here, you'll see the bid entry box where you need to enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay for the item. This does not mean you'll pay that full amount, it's simply the highest amount you're willing to go. After entering your maximum bid, click Review Bid. This step allows you to double-check the amount you've entered. Accuracy is important, so take a moment to confirm everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm your bid on the next screen. By doing this, you activate eBay's automatic bidding system. From this point on, eBay will automatically place bids for you in small increments whenever someone else bids against you, up to your maximum limit. Here's how it works in practice. Suppose you enter a maximum bid of $150 and the current bid is $120. eBay will automatically place a bid for you at $121. If another bidder places a bid of $125, eBay will respond with a bid of $126 on your behalf. This process continues until another bidder exceeds your maximum amount or the auction ends. If no one bids higher than your maximum by the end of the auction, you win the item. Congratulations, you've successfully used automatic bidding on eBay. Knowing how to set an automatic bid can save you time and help you avoid constantly monitoring auctions. It's an efficient way to stay competitive and secure great deals. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your eBay auctions.